Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos from the YouTube platform. First thing, you want to launch the YouTube app. Let's go over here and let's try to find the video that we want to download. Let's say we're hyped about this video over here, which is about watches. Let's click download this video. This is where you're gonna find the only legal option for you to download other people's video just to watch them, not repurpose or use them as a third-party creator. Very important. The YouTube Premium is the only option which will let you to download, as you can see, with different qualities. The first month that you will get when you sign up will be free. Then every month will be $18.99 per month. This is very important, but this membership also gives you the availability to watch YouTube videos without ads. This is very important considering for the people who simply don't want to watch ads. This is the only way to do it, guys. Don't use third-party software apps that you will probably search on Google Chrome, because this simply will create a different type of issue. Considering that terms and conditions for YouTube and the content policy could simply ruin a lot of the rules. You want to learn more about it? As you can see over here, when you actually sign up, this subscription will be renewed on the monthly basis. Your membership, YouTube Premium, starts as soon as you set a payment and subscribe with iTunes. Your monthly charge will occur on the last day of the current billing period, and then they will renew your membership unless you auto-renew it is turned off for 24 hours before the end of billing cycle. This is, guys, obviously working like any other subscription. The only point here is that you're using YouTube content, right? And you're using YouTube service to download the content. So this is the legitimate way and the right way to do it. If you guys have more questions, please let me know in the comment section. For more tips and tricks, guys, subscribe and follow for more.